What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Lords of the Fallen is having an issue with EasyAntiCheat error and how we can fix this error. So let me directly get into this step. So the first step is all about we need to allow the game exe and EasyAntiCheat exe files to your antivirus program or the Windows security. Which means if you're using any kind of third-party applications like Avast or anything, you need to add the game exe and AntiCheat exe to the respective antivirus. Or if you're using apart from this, if you're depending on anything like Windows security, you just need to add the game exe as well as the EasyAntiCheat exe to the security. So to do this, just go over here, search for the control panel, and you have to click on this one over here in the control panel. Navigate to the system and security. Now from here navigate to Windows Defender. Now we need to expand this. Now from here go to allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now we need to add it. So in order to add it, first we need to know where the game is installed. So in my case, as I'm cross-checking, right click over here, go to the manage, and over here you can go over here to the manage and navigate to the browse local file, and that will take you to this. And from here I understood the game is over here, installed it on E. So what I need to do is just go over here, go back to the control panel, click on change setting, go to allow another app, navigate to the browse, go to this PC, navigate to local disk E. Now from here navigate to Steam library, Steam apps, go to common. Now from here I have to scroll down and navigate to Lords of the Fallen. Now we have these folders over here. So first one, I'm going to add the EasyAntiCheat. Open this. Now I need to add the EasyAntiCheat setup over here, go to open, and I need to add it. Once the EasyAntiCheat is added, next I need to go for browse once again. Now from here go back, navigate to the .ft, this is the .exe of the game, just add it. And afterwards it is already added, it says it is already added, so I have to make an exception over here. I need to go back to allow another app, navigate to the browse and try add it once again. So it says it's still added, so I have to go for another app, go to the browse. Get into this particular folder LOTF2, and from here get into the folder named binaries, get into Win64, and from here I have to add LOTF2 Win64 shipping.exe, go for open. First I have to select this one, go for open, then select this one, go for open and add it. Now go for once again, go to the browse, get to this one also, I should add it. Once it is added, so make sure everything is successfully added. Now we just need to go back over here to the folder and make sure everything is in EasyAntiCheat is added, the .exe is added, and both the game test and both these things are added. Now we need to just close everything over here. Now we need to check the EasyAntiCheat is added, put a check on both the boxes over here, and also for the game.exe if it is added for a lot of the Fallen, make sure that you put a check on both the boxes on the private and public. That's very important, for everything should be done the same, and once afterwards you have to check. Next step is all about, after trying with this, we need to run the EasyAntiCheat bat file, and also we need to run EasyAntiCheat EOS setup file as well. So just get into the folder over here, you need to get into the folder, go to this PC, expand this up and navigate to local disk E, get into the Steam library, now go to Steam apps, go to common. Now from here go to Lords of the Fallen. Now from here, the first and foremost step, we need to run the EasyAntiCheat, get into this one. And you can see we have EasyAntiCheat, right click on this one and we have to go for run as administrator and go for yes. Now you are fine with it, just go back, and now from here you have to launch the game as well. You can try running as an administrator as well, EasyAntiCheat, run as administrator as well, and you have to check. That's what you have to try. Afterwards, still you might be having the issue. What we need to do is you can skip to the next step. That is all about, you can try uninstall and reinstall the EasyAntiCheat, and also you can verify the game file. So right now over here, as you can see, I have right click on this one and I have installed the EasyAntiCheat. And if that is an issue, sometimes you have to try uninstalling the AntiCheat. So right click on this one and go for run as administrator, so that the AntiCheat is uninstalled. And there is nothing to worry. All you have to do is you can try reinstalling the AntiCheat once again. You can try reinstalling the AntiCheat, or you don't have to reinstall. Just go to the game over here. You can directly launch the game. While launching the game, the EasyAntiCheat will be installed. And also we need to verify the game file. So right click over here and go to the properties, go to installed files and click on the verify integrity of game file, which is going to take a little bit of time. So we need to wait this to reach 100%. So once it's reached 100%, we are fine with it. And so it is going to take a little bit of time. So I'm going to skip this part. Next step is all about the last one. we need to run the game as administrator from the game. So what we need to do is we just go over here in the File Explorer, or instead of from here you can launch the game, directly launch the game, not from the Steam. So if Steam is running in the background, make sure you close the Steam and get into the installation folder and try run as an administrator from here, and you have to check. Last and the least step that you can try out is all about we need to uninstall and reinstall the game to a different drive. So like I said, for me right now the game is installed on E. So I have to go over here in the Steam, go to get into the game, right click and go to manage and uninstall the game. Then I have to reinstall it back, and this time I should be installing it on D or C, not on E. That's what I have to try. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.